We're Beth and Court. We decided to sell everything and move into an RV.
Despite having zero experience.
And we did it in just 4 months.
We sold the house,
Most of our belongings,
found a truck,
then a trailer, and we hit the open road.
we tried tons of new things.
We had a few disasters.
But a year in, and we wouldn't trade this experience for anything.
We want to show the world that ordinary people can do extraordinary things.
What people love is following our adventures.
Our humor,
Babe, I can't talk right now. I gotta work out before work starts.
We're gonna round up them horses.
Do you see that person's feet?
Our love. And the dynamic that comes with it.
I had just looked at you while you were driving and I remembered how much I loved you.
Yeah.